Today I'm going to share with you how I deep clean my washing machine. Join me. We wash a lot of dirt with our washing machines, and this dirt can cause buildup, and it can also cause our washer to have kind of like a musty scent. To get rid of the dirt and the smell, all you need to do is add 1 cup of bleach to your washer and then run a regular cycle using the hottest water possible. This will kill any mildew or mold that may be growing in places that we can't see. And it really is that simple. I would once a week do this bleach deep cleaning washer, depending on if you have a septic system or not. Be careful with bleach in your septic system. However, go clean your washer, help make your clothes smell better, and then come back tomorrow for another video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video with all your friends, and give me a thumbs up.